takes a little bit of time, but one day a week, sit down, figure out what am I going to eat this week. Because if you meal plan, you can save money and you can limit the amount of stuff that you throw in the garbage at the end of the week. Because a lot of times our fruits and veggies go bad because I bought this for this recipe and I bought this for that recipe. If you plan out what you're doing, you can use the stuff over and over again for different recipes, and you don't get tired of it because you went from a wrap, now you're making a salad, but you're using the same ingredients. You're gonna save your money and you don't have to put stuff in the trash. That's great, winning. So meal planning is really great.
Are you talking this tahini? What you talking about what we use for margaritas?
No.
Oh, okay. Oh, you said tahini, and I was like, I use tahini. I was like, I can see how it can spice up my margarita. That's why you asked the question.
That was valid.
Right. Good question.
right before that truly comes out. And so what that does to the microgreen, to that produce, at that stage in its progress, it is at its most nutrient dense. So that is what a microgreen is. That is what we do.
But each time I host a workshop, I see like eyes light up, or I'll see somebody in the store and they'll be like, I made chickpea stir fry, and I'm like,
yeah.
So it's just about expanding your horizons.
It's sunflower seed oil. So it absorbs into your skin where it doesn't leave like that oily residue on top and make you all like shiny and shine. So super moisturizing. It also helps with redness and blotchiness because I used to have like red hair too. Everything that I sell, I use myself. Wonderful workshop from an awesome, wonderful lady who continues to inspire us and give us great food with love.
Don't you